Hey guys, today I wanted to show you a really cool Android logic game that me and my son found in the Play Store. I'm going to scroll up to go to my apps and then scroll over. As you can see, I've created a games folder, so I'm going to go to that. The game I'm going to be showing you today is called Draw to Smash. As you can see, I'm up pretty high in levels. I'm on level 1095. So basically with this game, you get either one line or two lines, and you have to smash all of the yellow eggs. If you see a white egg, you're supposed to protect it and make sure that it doesn't get smashed. You want to smash all the bad eggs. So on this level, I'm just going to draw an eye. Or a J works too. On this level, we get two lines, so I'm going to draw one line like this, let it fall, and then draw another little circle and smash the egg. Now, with this level, I'm going to draw another eye. I'm going to start right above the bad yellow eggs, and then I'm going to draw it above the other two yellow eggs. So as you can see, by doing that, I smashed the yellow eggs and I also protected the white eggs. Now on this level, I think what we want to do is draw a line down here and then let this purple thing fall. It should smash all the eggs. For this one, we want to move this out of the way, we want to move this over here, and then drop a little ball on them. Now for this level, I'm going to draw a triangle, and then I'm going to let this purple thing fall. For this one, we get two lines. So I'm going to draw a little ball over here and get the three eggs, and then a little ball over here and get these three eggs. For this one, I'm going to draw an E. For this one, we want to protect the egg, so I'm going to draw a straight line here, and then I'm going to draw a figure that goes this way. And we'll just fill it in. There we go. So this is a very fun, very addictive Android logic game that me and my son found. And once again, it's called Draw to Smash. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.